welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do highlights at home. I made a video like this before and I used box dye, but today I'm going to use the SCHWARZKOPF Blonde range. I'm using the bleach and also a toner. I filmed this video yesterday and I couldn't be bothered to do makeup and all of that because, you know, I was going to shower anyway. So you will see my bare face through this video. At the end of this video I will show you guys my hair a little bit more up close so you can see the results a bit better. But yes, let's get started. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like at the moment. As you can see, I have a little bit of regrowth. And especially here the back is quite dark, as you can see. And what I want to do is, I'm not really sure yet, but I want to use maybe a bit of a balayage technique at the back, which is going to be quite a challenge because it is quite hard to do that yourself. But as you can see, it's just so dark, and I do like a bit of dimension. Like, I don't want the back to be this blonde, but just maybe a few strokes. And then the front, I'm just going to foil it like I always do. Okay, so the last time I filmed a video, a DIY highlights video, I used a box dye, but this time I went for the Blonde range from SCHWARZKOPF. This is the best out there. When I worked at the hair salon, we used this as well. It is a professional brand. And yeah, you can look it up, the Blonde range. I have two developers. I have a 7 volume and a 20 volume. I think I'm going for the 7. I would recommend going for the 2 or the 6 depending on your natural color. I would definitely not go higher than 20 volume. It can damage your hair very bad, and if you do it yourself, you're probably not very fast. And the higher the volume, the quicker it develops, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think I'm going for the 7 volume today because I'm also going to do my back and I prefer to wait a little longer. And then I'm using this premium lightener, and this lifts up to 9 levels. This is great. Again, the Blonde range from SCHWARZKOPF. So I think I'm going with this one today with the 7 volume. Then I have 2 toners from the Blonde range, and this is called a pastel toning, and this is to neutralize a base from 8 till 10. My base is quite light. Even in the back I have a 8, I guess, so I think I'm going to use a toning as well. I have the colors Ice and Sand, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, this is Sand. And this is Ice, yes. And I think I'm going to mix those. The Sand is quite a warm shade of blonde, and then the Ice a bit more ashy. And I like to mix those together. And a toner you always need to mix with a 7 volume. So you always need to mix those together, not with a 6. Then I have a little bowl to mix everything, and this to measure it. Then I have some coloring sheets. And these are really nice. They are from Style Tech. Everything, by the way, in this video is from Haarspullen NL, a Dutch website which sells professional coloring and all of that. So yeah, everything is from there. And these sheets are very, very nice. Love them. Then I also have a little brush and a comb. And then some hair clips. So yeah, this is what I use to highlight my hair. Don't mind my outfit. I'm wearing something old because obviously I don't want any bleach on my new clothes. I'm going to brush my hair so there are no tangles. As you can see here, it's just quite dark. So I think I just want to put like 4 foils or something in the bag, maybe 6 if I can. And then after I'm just going to put some foils here in the front. But if I wear my hair like this, I just want here some more definition. Some lightener. I don't have to use too much because the last couple of times I threw away a lot. So this is just under 50. I think that would be enough. And as you can see, it goes a long way. Okay, and then now we're going to use the 2% D7 volume developer, and again just under 50, but you can also just do it, you know, if you like it a bit thicker or thinner. Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Just under 50. And let's see the thickness of it. Like I said, too thick, but also not too thin, so you get bleeding. And with bleeding, I mean the bleach. Then you get stripes and like spots, like cheetah spots all over. It happened to me also before. Thank God it was at the back of my head, not in the front, but yeah, you don't want that. And if it's not enough, you know, you can also always make some extra. Make sure you mix it well. Okay, so I'm going to start at the back, because if I put my hair up, and like I mentioned, if I wear my hair down, I have a little bit more dimension in my hair. So I think I'm going to add 2 foils on each side. So, and I have a little mirror here so I can see if it's okay. Yeah, I guess that's all right. Okay, so I have 2 on each side, 4 foils at the back. So when I put my hair up, you can also see a bit more blonde. So now I'm going to start at the front. I actually like to go more up, but it's just too hard to do it by myself. So I will just leave these 4. And yeah, let's start at the front. So I did this 3 months ago, so I don't need too many foils at the moment. Okay, so my battery died, but I finished one side. I moved over to the other side. I'm just going to add a few more foils. I just use the same technique. I'm not going too close to the roots because I prefer that it's a bit of a regrowth look. Not too much, obviously, but a little bit. Because I don't want any bleeding, like I already mentioned. I also need to be quick now because the first foils that I applied or in now for 25 minutes, I believe. So I don't want it, let it to... as you can see, these ends are already super light, so I'm not going all the way down. So the last foil I did about 25 minutes ago and it looks quite light. So I'm getting all the foils out, wash my hair, and then I'm going to apply the toner. So I applied the toner, the scent and the ice together, and as you can see, it's already doing its magic. And you can see the brassiness disappearing. It's getting a lot more ashy. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes. You can leave this up to 20 minutes. So you can also rinse it after 5 minutes if you only use, for example, the ice toner, because that's very intense if you only use that one. But yes, I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes, rinse it out and show you the end result. So as you can see, this is how my hair turned out. Super happy with it. It is not too light near the roots, but I kind of like that. And then if I put my hair up, as you can see, you got a lot of highlights here on the sides and then here in the back as well. So I'm happy with that. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dimension. I have some really weird waves in the back, so just ignore that. But yeah, I'm very happy with the results. Maybe for the next time I will do more of a money piece. So I will put a bit more foils here in the front. But overall, I'm just really happy with it. Toner did a great job as well. It is not too ashy and not too warm. I mixed the scent and the ice together. Maybe the next time I can also try just the ice. But I'm a bit worried that it might be too ashy. But yeah, maybe I can try it. Let me know if you would like to see that. But yeah, let me know what you think of it, and also let me know if you're going to try this at home. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!